Welcome to English Cottage Vacation, a culturally immersive, all-inclusive vacation experience where we take care of everything from start to finish, including you.
Hi, we're Nathan and Laura and we are owners of English Cottage Vacation.
Keep watching to find out why this is the ultimate English vacation. English Cottage Vacation offers a completely stress-free, fully catered, all-inclusive and tailor-made experience exclusively for you and your family or friends of up to 6. There are also opportunities for solo travellers and couples to meet and make new friends with our 7-night shared cottage experiences. No matter what your dreams of England are, we will make them a reality with a package option to suit your needs perfectly. With around-the-clock care and attention to detail, you will be catered to from morning to night by your private chef Laura and personal driver and tour guide Nathan. Your luxury vehicle will ensure you arrive at any of your chosen destinations rested and raring to go. You'll stay in a 3-bedroom, authentic yet luxury 18th century thatched cottage located in the stunning English countryside, surrounded by rolling hills and perfectly situated for an action-packed adventure, complete with extensive amenities provided to ensure your comfort and enjoyment. Well Cottage, aptly named after the working well in the front garden, started off life as a drover's cottage back in the mid-1700s. Having been extended over the years, the new complements the old throughout. It is a beautiful English garden adorned with a vast ever-changing variety of flowers and plants and its very own vegetable patch where Laura grows many of the fruits, vegetables and herbs that she serves from her kitchen. It truly is an authentic English experience in every way. There are so many more surprises awaiting you on this epic English adventure.
Have a lovely day. Bye.
Contact Nathan and Laura today and find out which of our package experiences is right for you, or subscribe to our monthly newsletter to stay in touch. English Cottage Vacation, the UK's #1 concierge experience. We can't wait to welcome you on your English Cottage Vacation.